welcome to my channel. Today I have my brother. Say hi. And I brought him again on my other video. You saw him. And today is my dad's birthday. The cake was so yummy. They had Oreos in it. It's so yummy. And today I'm going to show you my sticky fidget. So yeah, I'm going to this is what I got from the machine. It's very cool. Look, I'm going to show you. Look at that gold sparkly red. Sit right here. And this pineapple one. Let's put this one in here. And then we have this needle. What if them come in here? Oh my god. This needle makes fart noises. It's very funny. Apple. That was hilarious. Okay, and this might scare you. It's a bug. Look at that. Ew. It's a bug and it's really stretchy. Yeah, it was funny. I'm gonna do a prank with Mateo. And look at this rainbow dough. Really cool. And we have oh, this is new as well. This is what I got today. These both got new today. I mean, this one's yesterday. These were yesterday. This one was today. These two are today. These two. So I love this squishy. It's a cool donut squishy. It's a donut squishy. Look at this. It's really cool. Whoa. Look at that. It's really cool. And we're going to show this. This is what you really want to show. Look at this. It looks like you really want to open. That is the cool. It's a splat ball. I got it from Valentine's Day, and I really love it. So I'm going to show you this. When I put this in water, it did like this. So I'm trying to put them up, but they look like noodles. Look at that. Shiver. Hey guys, you're gonna love this. What? What happened? A water? See. Yeah, some of that popped, but I still have it because it's like it pops sometimes, and then you could squish it still. I don't know what happened. Look at this. I got this for Dollar Tree, and look at it. It sounds so satisfying. Wow. I can't believe I got this at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Oh, I got this candy. And this cat. And that's why. Oh yeah, because I washed these today. Yeah. Look at this. It's what color is this? I think it's pinkish purplish. It's pink and purple, and then it turns to blue. That is really cool. I like that. We had this another one. This one for like Twinkies. I got this one. It's called a monster and clothes. And we have this. Looks like snow. So And these are two cool, stretchy, and really fun. Whoa, look how long they're. These are really pretty colors. I love them. They're sunset.
Is easy on me?
I'm gonna show you. Whoa, this looks like Christmassy. I think it's just Christmassy. I feel like if they had any green in there, then that would be Christmassy. And then this one's air squishy. And this is a little unicorn squishy. And this is a little another air squishy. I got so many air squishies. I got two yellow ones. I got green and yellow. And then I got this another this one. You see, they're two geese. And yeah, this is really cool. Both are really cool. Two geese. And this blue one, it goes as well. Christmas tree. And yeah, this is it's cool Christmas tree from Christmas. I got this Christmas. And we got a lot of these. Look, we got a yellow one. We got a green one. We got an orange one, and we got a blue one. Really cool. Which one is your favorite? Mine is gonna be the blue one. The blue. And we got 3 dinosaurs. 2 is yellow and 1 is blue. So let's see. I think this one's a T-Rex. And I don't know what these are.
Some.
And we have, oh yeah! Wait, is this from, yeah. And these are 2 airballs again. And red. And this is a little hedgehog. And this pink lamb, I think. Yeah, this is a lamb. And this looks like a little, what is this called? I don't know what it is, but it's sparkly and it's purple. I like it. And there is a little cat. It's cute, I like it. And this pig, I like it as well. And this candy and this candy. And this bird, I think. And we got this another air squishy. And we got a little panda air squishy. And it's really cool. So that's going to be the end of the video. Bye.
No.